So here's another idea. I don't know if it'll be useful to anybody, but when I got this mill, I got this big 6-inch vise with it, and then it had this big swivel base on it, and I didn't want to use that swivel base. I just wanted to put the vise on the table by itself. So this big swivel base here was hanging on the wall doing nothing. Probably would have hung there forever, and I thought there's got to be a use for it. And then that's how this idea started, was with that. And I wanted to take one of my vices, or not vice, but chuck. I got a whole bunch of chucks. When I bought this machine here, I got a bunch of chucks with it. Good old time chucks. South Bend, Cushman. I've even got a Rome. There's a big Rome chuck right there, an 8-inch. There's a 6-inch 3-jaw Cushman. And then there's all the backer plates for them, which I took off already, and you'll see why. And of course there's another chuck. Ends up, I think I have about 7 chucks. And so to use them for something, here's what I did. I took one of them and mounted it on this swivel base, and this turned out to work pretty good. I just took an old Volkswagen rotor, like that one right there, and I made the base plate for it, cut off that top part, and that stuff machines real good. It's cast iron, and it's kind of fun to work with. So anyway, I made this ring right here, and then made this chuck fit it, and I've already used this thing quite a few times, and it spins. And then I put a brass pointer on there, and see, this has already got all the markings on this base right here. And you can spin it like that. And then this one won't be real useful, but I had an extra brake rotor from my F-150 truck that was kind of gouged up, so I took that and mounted this. It's a 6-inch 4-jaw scroll chuck, so I can use that up on there. Then I got this South Bend 4-jaw independent chuck. Works real good on this rotary table. And let's see, okay, this right here, this is just a 4-jaw scroll chuck, and I've got the bolt pattern set up so that I can put it on any one of these. It fits on all of these. So there's another way you can do it. So like I said, I don't know if that'd be useful to anybody, but I found this one to be real useful. I've used it quite a few times now. You can just spin it like that, and of course I set it up so it locks down just like the vise did when it was on top of there. And you know, you can lock it in position and loosen them up, spin it around wherever you want, and works pretty good. So anyway, there's an idea. If anybody wants to have a chuck type vise on their mill, that's one idea right there. Just take some old brake rotors like this one. This one I think is from a Volkswagen, and this one here is from a Ford Taurus. It doesn't matter. they're real nice to work with, and you can make all kinds of stuff out of them. So anyway, there's an idea. I don't know if it'll do anybody any good, but there it is.